Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the live view on the blind spot monitoring, so that conversation is coming up. So I just got update 2024.19.4, and I think one of the big features that they finally added was the live view for blind spot monitoring. So Tesla's had this feature for quite a while, and I know a lot of people really like it, and it's pretty useful. So it's nice that Rivian finally added it. And so what they have done is basically, they, like when you signal on the main driver screen over here, basically it comes up on that screen on the left side or the right side of the screen. And so when I got the update, it automatically turned it on. So, but I want to show you where it is, just in case you want to turn it off, because I think I'm probably going to turn it off because I don't really use that feature. And for me, it doesn't really make sense to have it on the driver screen because it's kind of hard to see anyway. But I know a lot of people like that and will probably use it. So how we get to that is we go to the settings icon over here. So if you don't see it on the bar, just swipe up and it'll be right here. So hit settings, and then we want to go to driver plus, so vehicle, and then driver plus. And then that feature is a little bit down. Here we go. Blind spot view. So basically, you turn it on, turn it off right here. But of course, I want to show you how it works as well. So let me turn the car on. So as I mentioned, depending if you're signaling right or left, it'll show up on the right side or the left side of the driver screen. So if I signal right here, you can see it pops right up. So it stays on as long as the signal is on. And so you can just, if you're driving, you want to look at it, you can look at it right here. If we go, let's see. Oh yeah, you can see it a little bit on the other side. So, same thing, just on the left and the right side of the screen. One other cool thing that I noticed was if someone is in your blind spot and you know how on the mirror you've got the little car light that lights up. If someone is in your blind spot and you're signaling basically into them because it's in their blind spot, you'll notice that around the live view there will be a red square. So that's kind of another way you can tell, oh, oops, there's somebody in my blind spot, I shouldn't merge into that lane. And on top of, you're going to see the car in the view anyway, but it's just an extra safety feature to have this red square around the actual view. So that's basically it. I just wanted to kind of show that feature because it is a nice new feature that I know a lot of people will like. You got to get 2024.19.4. It's the newest update right now. So if you have that, then you will have blind spot view. So hopefully that little conversation tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.